Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. We are gathered under the stars tonight to celebrate the bold spirit of human ambition, one that gazed upon the boundless heavens and refused to accept that humanity's fate was to be earthbound. We step forward into the future, carrying with us admiration for the sheer daring of the first human flight and all the innovations in aviation that have followed, which have today brought the world alive with manned and unmanned flight possibilities. Look to the skies as we embark on a journey to explore the limitless possibilities of the future. Let us follow along with the early biplane as it recreates the pivotal moment in Indian civil aviation. This is the plane that carried 6,000 letters from Allahabad to Naini in present-day Uttar Pradesh, becoming the world's first recorded airmail flight in 1911. This groundbreaking expedition was memorialized on its Golden Jubilee anniversary with a commemorative stamp in 1961, whose likeness you see etched in the skies above you. Breaking through the clouds above you now is the crowning triumph of civil aviation. Ladies and gentlemen, this is your captain speaking. We are now beginning our descent into Amaravati, the modern passenger airliner in all its mammoth glory. If aviation has proven to be the powerful connector of our times, the ubiquitous passenger plane is its truest symbol. If you look out from your window, you will see the majestic Buddha Stupa lit up in all its glory, welcoming you to the Amaravati drone summit. Please fasten your seatbelts, sit back and take in the sights as we make our approach to the next frontiers of aviation. Smoother, faster and more efficient flights have, over recent decades, knit together entire continents, cultures and economies. The rise of drones has opened up new horizons in commercial applications. UAVs have become lifelines, carrying essential medical supplies. Today, UAVs serve as silent guardians for farmers, assisting with the precise spraying of fertilizers and pesticides, monitoring crops and increasing harvests. We take a moment to honor the legacy of the International Civil Aviation Organization, which celebrates 80 years of the groundbreaking Chicago Convention this year.
And they've done it! A moment of great pride for India as BotLab Dynamics makes history by breaking 5 world records in one show. Congratulations to the team!